If you've ever tried to embed a Google Doc into Canvas, like I have, did all this work for my Year 12 unit, and I just want to put it straight into Canvas, but it comes up like this. I've embedded it with using an external URL, but it makes me click out of Canvas to see it. Well, I can fix that in one click. Go to your site, go to your settings, and go to Manage Site. And in Manage Site, you need to scroll down, and there's one little tick that will make all of this possible. If you tick on Security, Allow Embedding of your site and other sites, then all that work you've done on your Google sites already means that you can put that straight into your Canvas site. So if I refresh this now, my Year 12 music site will come up right in the page here. So the usefulness of this is if you are transferring to Canvas and you've already got a Google site, everything will work like this. Canvas, you can use modules to organize your site. Perhaps here is the site. On the next page there might be a quiz or questions about that, or a discussion, or any of the myriad other things you can do with Canvas. The other good thing is if I go back to my modules, you can put the entire site there, or on my Year 12 page, if I go back to the page, I have set it up so that I have some, in this unit, I have set up along the page some little headings. So if I wanted to jump straight to the romantic period, that actually changes the URL up here. So if I want my students to go to that, it's still the same page, still on the exact same page where they started out, but if I want them to go exactly where I want, instead of saying go to the romantic period, which is difficult, I can set it up as its own romantic period. And that, because I've ticked that little box that says allow embedding in other sites, that will do exactly that and take them there, and eventually it will load up everything I've already put in there, the YouTube that I put in there, the Google folder that I put into my Google Sites, which eventually will show the resources that are in there, and it takes them exactly to where I want them to be without any dramas. So to add something to a module like this from your Google Sites, once you have ticked that box, you go to the plus sign and you change it from assignments to external URL. And all you do is copy in the URL. So for this one, maybe this time I want to go to my modern period. That changes my URL. So I will copy that and paste it in here. And I'll call this the modern period. Add the item. Might even publish it for good luck. And when I go there, because I've checked that little thing that says allow embedding in other sites, it takes the kids straight to that page. So embedding your Google sites that already exist is a snap, as long as you do that one little ticking of the box in your settings, there, manage site, and then scroll down until you see the little tick box under security that says allow embedding of your site in other sites.